Hello everybody. This is another segment of Karen Talks. So right now it's Hurricane Sandy and everything. Some people are really still there for some reason. Look, that person's still there. I don't know why they're outside at this time. It's going crazy. That sign over there was moving a few seconds ago because it was a huge gust of wind. It's just crazy. Wow. Good thing I'm not in Manhattan right now. I heard Manhattan, people in Manhattan, I used to usually have to actually leave and evacuate that place. It's weird. You've seen that signs. It was moving. See what I mean? I don't know. Well, if you haven't actually decorated the hallway, like we do every year on every holiday. See, we have the spider webs up there. Here. This oh my goodness. The scarecrow guy keeps on falling no matter what I do, I swear. He's always falling. It's weird. This too. Oh, I guess what the heck? You heard that? Oh my goodness. Wow, something must have really happened. There's lot of signs, everything's switching. Yeah, something's like deserted on cars. Well, what's been going on with you? I heard we're supposed to get a blackout. That's gonna be very messed up. Because if that happens, no electricity, it's not gonna be good. Well, that's all for today. Bye.